guys, Christy Tracy. As you've probably seen in my Instagram stories, I got a brand new bike, super stoked on it. It is the 3T Extrema Italia and her name is Wicked. Yesterday I did the first race on the bike and second ride on the bike, the Butterfield Buster, which was a mixed surface 108-mile race in Whitesboro, Texas, put on by this ministry. It was a pretty dry day, so the bike didn't get super dirty, but I am going to be washing it to keep it nice and clean and sparkling. And of course, new bike, I want to use only the best products, so I'm using the Pelli Bike Care products. I have, in the white container, I have the Pelli Bike Care EcoCLEAN. In the middle container, that is the EcoCLEAN HD, which I'm going to use on the Drivetrain. And then this one is the Waterless Wash, which I'm not going to use primarily, but I am going to just lightly spritz the bike after I've washed it and buff it really good to give it a little bit of a sheen. The bike is pre-treated with the Repel, the Pelli Bike Care Repel Graphene treatment, which makes it super easy to wash. Any dirt, mud just washes right off, and it also protects the paint. So here we start with a close-up of the bike, just so you can see what it looks like before washing. It's not super dirty, but it was a very dusty day, so I've got a lot of dust that's hiding that really pretty raw carbon, which you can kind of see there. So my wheels, my head wheels, these are the GA Pros, are kind of dusty. The saddle, I actually haven't washed since my last muddy race, so I've got some mud in there. My top tube bag, I spilled some carbs fuel gel on it, so I've got a little sticky stuff there. And yeah, that's about it. It's not bad, but it's gonna look a lot better when I'm done. Head wheels, get them all nice and shiny. Don't want to let this sit on the frame for too long with the sun baking on it. The nice thing about the Extreme Italia is it's got massive tire clearance, and I've only got 40s on here right now. So I can get behind the tire and all that good stuff too. I'm gonna flip the bike around real quick. Get the other side. And real quick go with the pulley wheels. Rinse her down. So this is from the Ride Repel Graphene treatment. You can see how the water is literally just beating up on the bike. The mud and the dirt does the same thing, so it makes it super easy to clean. That sticky spot on my bag is all gone. There we go. And she's done. Sorry, miss. Now I'm going to dry her off, but before I do that, I just want to show the Ride Repel Graphene treatment is what makes the water just bead up like that. And now I'm gonna buff it out real quick, or dry her off really good. My head wheels are nice and shiny. My bi saddle is no longer muddy. Stem looks good. So now, after just washing and drying her and nothing else, let me get out of the sun. Saddle is nice and clean. Look at that raw carbon. Sorry, the sun is being tricky. Yeah, wheels, tires, all of it looks really good. Drivetrain, flawless, flawless. So now, just to make her extra special shiny, I'm gonna mist her lightly with the waterless wash and buff that, just to get any little water spots off, and then she'll be done. So now we've done all three, the Pelli EcoCLEAN in the middle, the HD EcoCLEAN, which I used, it's the heavy duty cleaner, I used that on the drivetrain, and the waterless wash just to get any water spots off. So starting at the back with the wheels, the drivetrain, and of course that beautiful filament winding technology raw carbon from the 3T Extrema Italia. My bi saddle, which this is my old bi saddle. I actually have a new one for this bike, but I haven't put it on yet because I didn't want to ride a brand new saddle for my first 110-mile gravel race on the bike. Yeah, she's clean. Easy peasy.